It's a 2009 Toyota Tacoma. With its bold looks and tech to match any adventure, this off-road icon is ready to rock. It's well equipped with the features you need: auxiliary audio input, integrated storage, manual telescoping steering column, two 12-volt power outlets, inline 4-cylinder engine, front tow hooks, electronic shift on the fly, and manual tilting steering column. The critics at New Car Test Drive find the Tacoma offers a comfortable cab, a refined ride, and quality construction. Its on-road handling is responsive. Its off-road capability is proven. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
You'll find it all at Pueblo Toyota. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2220 US 50 West in Pueblo, Colorado.